Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and good. It's lovely viewers, today we'll see in this video. You will see in this videos modern pop with bangs, haircuts, ideas. Beautiful and stylish, unique pop with bangs, haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. Lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos. And you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. You will see stylish haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. Today you will see in this videos modern and stylish unique haircuts designs. So before you will see in this videos bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, pixie bob haircuts, stacked bob haircuts, toffee bob haircuts and chin length haircuts. Today you will see in these videos modern and stylish unique haircuts design. So you will see in these videos particular stylish bob haircuts with bangs haircuts designs, decent dyed haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. I hope you like my videos friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video. So you will see unique haircuts designs. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. And do you have new ideas of unique haircuts designs? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. You will see in these videos before and after haircuts designs, decent dyed haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas, checky pop haircuts, toffee pop haircuts and chin length haircuts designs.